Are you guys looking for functional aerodynamics for your BRZ, FRS, or GT86? This is the Password JDM carbon fiber gurney flap. What's up, guys? Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me, I have the Password JDM gurney flap, specific for the FRS, BRZ, or GT86. Got the package right here. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So this is it. Now this is a very, whoa, excuse me there. This is a very beautiful piece. Carbon fiber through and through with a beautiful weave pattern all the way across, even up through these like tight bends. They've managed to keep that weave nice and consistent, which is very cool. Also, you've got Password JDM badge front and rear, which is really neat. And is very high quality, looks like an aluminum pipe badge. But the purpose of a gurney flap is basically to help spoil the airflow over the rear of the vehicle and helps produce a little less drag and a little bit more downforce. Basically, think of that as a spoiler extension of sorts. You'll see a lot of gurney flaps on the back of wings, which basically acts as a spoiler for a wing. Yeah, anyway, so it is a functional product, which is very cool. Plus, it also just looks freaking amazing. It does come with some self-adhesive tape on the back, so installation is incredibly simple. This is just one of those things where you really want to make sure you get everything nice and lined up and square before you go ahead and squeeze this on. But it'll be super, super simple to install. Will take you all about 5 minutes. You'll get functionality, you'll get the looks, you'll get all the props from all your friends being like, wow, dang, is that a cool carbon fiber gurney flap? You bet, yes, it is. Password JDM, suckers. But it really is a very cool product. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. See you guys next time.